In this video, we are going to install this remote starter on a Toyota 4Runner provided by StartX. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Here we have your remote start module. It has two mounting holes. On the side here we have your pin connectors. For this install we are only going to use the 8, 6, 20, and 12 pins. On the bottom we have your dial and more pin connectors, which we won't be using in this installation. On the other side you have your button, some cut wires, and more connectors for additional accessories. Here we have your wiring harness number 1. This white connector here replaces the factory OBD2 port. Then you connect your factory OBD2 connector to this black connector. These bottom connectors here are your BCM T-harness. You connect this line with the 30-pin white connector at the BCM. These little connectors up here are your remote starter module connectors. You connect this to your module. This here is your wiring harness number 2. This top portion here is your ignition T-harness. Connect it in line with the connector at the ignition barrel. This black connector here is where you'll connect it to the remote starter module. Includes your warning sticker, some zip ties to help tie up the wires and secure your module, your pry tool, and an optional hood pin, along with your installation manual. First, let's unscrew the 2 screws located on the steering column. Once we remove those 2 screws, we go ahead and pry it open with the included pry tool. We pry open this lower panel. Okay. We unplug this connector right below the ignition barrel. Connect the vehicle's plug to the T-harness. Then you take the T-harness and plug it into the vehicle connector. Feed the wires through the bottom lower panel. Unclip the original OBD2 plug. Get your other harness and plug it into your original OBD2 port. Replace the OBD2 port with the one from the harness. Feed the rest of the wires up behind the lower panel. Okay. Remove the second from the top pin. Take the connector from the harness and plug it to the pin from the vehicle. Connect your T-harness to the BCM. Connect all your remaining connectors to your module. Turn your ignition to the on position. Wait for the module light to turn green. Turn off the ignition. Start the engine. Wait for 15 seconds. Press on the brake. While pressing on the brake, press the button on the module. Then let go of the brake. Wait for the module light to flash green twice. Worked. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.